Yo, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another live stream. How's it going? John, John. I won't bother pronouncing the rest of your username. Welcome, man. Thank you for saying that. I really appreciate that. It's your first stream, huh? Just get ready for the roller coaster, man. I'm telling you. And no, I'm not drinking piss, okay? I'm not drinking piss. I'm just gonna make it clear up front. No. No, it's not drinking. It's not piss. All right, just weird flavored creatine. All right, nothing like human urine. If I were to drink piss, I would drink rat piss. Not gonna lie. Yeah, would have been much more wild. Absolutely. How's it going? We are literally out here, salmons. My man, we're using your machine today. We're using your machine. Clip that. No, don't. We're using, you remember the backdoor that I gave you? I got access to your machine, so we're using your machine. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. Dude, we're using your build server today. I don't even know what's gonna happen today. Fucking 500 gigabytes RAM. Yeah, absolutely. So I already installed some things on this, but there you go. We're using this nice little, not a little one. Okay, not gonna lie. I fucked up my OBS settings, so I need to adjust my camera a little bit. 1 second. I accidentally deleted my video settings, so it's just kind of cooked. Okay, it's looking good. Ratatouille is now visible though. Okay, cool. So guys, good morning, Gold Electrum. What up, man? What up, man? Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. So we got a PR from our good friend Gold Electrum here. Okay, first of all, you might be asking what the fuck are you doing, right? So let me just send you the link to this project, because I think people are gonna ask that, like, what the fuck you working on? So we're working on a terminal browser project, right? We are trying to like bring this back to life. It's getting there, dude. It's getting there. It's kind of fucked up because it uses Chromium and it uses Chromium patches and shit like that. But like I said, good friend, my golden friend, gold silver copper, sorry, Gold Electrum. You have a bunch of nicknames at this point. This little rat just decided to, that was a compliment, decided to swap Chromium with Servo. So we have this PR over here, which is, I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna check this out. And also I'll try to build this thing from this machine today. I have installed Zelish, I have installed Codex. I'm ready to cook, man. I'm ready to just go at it, you know. So we're gonna try to build this, and at the same time I will basically try to use Servo here. So we're gonna experiment, okay? We're gonna have some experiments. Don't expect like success at the end, but success is there. I know that. I can feel it. I can feel that this is gonna be great at some point, but I cannot promise something working at the end of the stream. But let's see. That's pretty sick, but extremely huge. Yeah, that's why we have the build server. That's why we have this giant rat over here, man. That's why we had it. So I'ma just, how can I discard all these commits in here, man? I don't want, okay, whatever. So I have a couple of remotes here. Carboxyl main probably. Carboxyl main. Yeah, there you go. Have fun. I want to make it clear once again, I'm not drinking piss. Thank you for listening to that. I'm gonna make this video a little bit larger so that you see me better. Good luck. Really appreciate that. I mean, we will need some luck over here, man. Alright, so let's see. Analyze this repo. What are the required steps for building? I could probably just read the documentation myself, man. I mean, what am I doing here? I'm just lazy. So I've done this before, but was not successful. So basically this project consists of multiple parts. One of them is the runtime, the core. The core is Rust. That's easy. You can just run cargo build and it's gonna work. I don't know why it's lagging so bad, to be honest. It's because maybe I'm running this over SSH. It's not great. It's not great. But so cargo build should just work fine. Hey, there just arrived. Hello, man. Linker CC not found. I think I need to install the development packages for this. Linker CC not found. Arch. I forgot the name of the package. GCC base devel. That's Ubuntu though. There's a build script in scripts folder. Yeah, that's what I remember as well. But hold on. Base development. Yeah, you're right. Let's install that. Look at the speed, man. Look at this, man. Pacman is just slow. Pacman is the bottleneck here. Thank you for the tip. And boom, that's the core. We just built the core. That was easy. Now on to the fucked up part. Let's see. G-Client, GN Ninja. So let's install those. GN Ninja. G-Client is probably part of the script. Is YouTube full-time job? I wish I could just build Chromium all day and make hella money. That would be so great, actually. Probably not though, now that I think about it. Yeah, parallel downloads in Pacman definitely should do that. Large machine budget, we have that already. Okay, so G-Client sync. So we're basically gonna run this, right? Let's run this and let's see what will happen. It's gonna basically download a bunch of stuff. Apply patches. Now like I said, I've done this and I was not able to apply the patches. That was a bit problematic while I was working on this, so we'll see. Okay, Goma CTL command not found. The fuck is that? I had no idea. Is that a problem? Is that a problem? I don't know what's going on, to be honest. It's probably cloning right now, but okay, it's cloning. Checking out to something. Okay, so sending approximately 60 gigabytes. Amazing. Cool. We just wait for that. So in the meantime, I want to check out this draft over here where we try to use servo for things basically. So I wanna just get a understanding of what has changed in this branch. Tell me how the servo implementation works. Take a look at the main and branch. Okay, so guys, we will have a lot of time to chat in this live stream because things will take time. We'll basically build, wait, and stuff. So yeah, just tell me what you've been up to. The it runs Doom test gets my vote. Just counting objects. Woke up, did yoga, now I'm drinking juice and working. Sounds like a perfect life to me. And that doesn't sound like you, to be honest. What the hell? I mean, I would expect something like woke up, create a new branch, started pushing code and smoking cigarette or some shit like that. You know what I mean? I don't believe that. I don't actually believe that you did that. That sounds very blue pill. If you did that, I'm happy for you. That you must be very satisfied and happy with your life. I mean, if you did that, because at some point I was doing that. I know from my own experience. Cigarettes are for the night time. Sounds too healthy. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's see. Main branch use a C ABI bridge, patched Chromium. I bet they have team music. Servo branch switches browser module to servo runtime. Okay. Okay, servo initialization. Software rendering context, create a web view. Servo runtime. Terminal key codes are mapped to servo. Okay, rendering path. So the most important thing is here, I think, the rendering of the servo runtime and the terminal. So mapping the servo stuff to the terminal probably. These raw pixels into terminal renders raw background. Raw background was updated scale source frame buffer terminal viewport robustly. Alright. If I remember correctly, there was a TUI implementation here somewhere that is doing the whole cell handling and manipulation. So I wonder if that's still here with the servo thing. But we can just build and see if for ourselves. It's gonna take a bunch of time and resources to do that probably. Okay, we're still cloning Chromium. Okay. G-Client has been silent for 5 minutes. Currently active tasks. Check your internet connection. I have the best internet in the whole Sweden. What are you talking about? Probably not, but yeah. Yeah, downloading. This is my own internet, by the way. Do you see the speed difference? Wow. Gonna finish building server before it downloads Chromium. For sure. For sure. Okay, 800 Rust dependencies. I'll probably start to lag just about now, so just saying that if I freeze and if things go black or like you see my hand just freezing around, that's because of the Rust compiler. I can confidently blame Rust for this. Anyways, let me take a sip from my juice. Okay, amazing. Got our first compiler error. Okay, no fucking idea. That's just what the hell? GL slop. GL slopped. What the hell is this? What the hell is GL slop? Why do we have a GL slop T thing in here? Okay. We're still cloning, by the way. GL slop, bro. What is GL slop? And it's still building for some reason. Okay, give me a sec. I will just. What the hell is GL slop, man? I do have to say I built it on macOS. Welcome to the Linux. I was about to say Arch Linux. Linux build hell. Okay, let's see. It just crashed. GL slop here, GL slopped. C++ shader optimization library pulled in servo web render during build. I'm checking its header guards you can fix instead of generic guess. Bro, I'm not doing yeah, I'm not, it's probably just a missing dependency, right? GL slop. Nope. Am I cooked? Copy paste the issue to AI and say fix please. That's kind of what I did, but let's see if it's gonna work. Probably not gonna work. It's just trying to do some weird shit. What the fuck is going on, man? Just want my servo, okay? Okay, we found it. We found it. Necessary system dependencies. CMake. I have CMake. glibc. Oh no. If it's the glibc thing, I am not dealing with that. glibc. Yeah, same thing. Oh shit. Oh no. This is from February. Wait, this is a glibc issue. What's my glibc version? It's the same. You kind of cooked here, right? You kind of cooked here. You kind of cooked here. Found this one. Wait, what are you doing? It's just patching some random shit right now. It's vendoring G-slopped. What the fuck? Just vendor the crate. Okay. We're still cloning, by the way. We're at 10 gigs now. Okay, it's just, yeah, it's just patching something, which I don't know what it's doing, but all right. Let's view this. If it's actually gonna be able to get around this, I'll be really impressed. Let me take a sip from my juice. Still building. We're just gonna wait a lot on this live stream. You know that, right? That gives us some time to talk. I wonder who's maintaining this actually. I'm kind of curious now. Now everything is lagging, of course. Do not contact anyone shown in this live stream, okay? He works at Mozilla, of course. Looks cool. We should invite him to the grindhouse. By the way, we have a grindhouse server. We have a nice community. We don't have our moderators in the chat today, but if we had, we could probably get a link to our Discord now. So I'll just do it myself. But yeah, Emacs user. I don't know what to feel about that. I mean, he's maintaining this thing. So I have a certain level of respect for him, because like he's doing this thing. Okay, we are at 16 gigabytes now. Emacs user maintains package. Can't even compile on Arch. It's kind of ironic, isn't it? Oh man, come on. Okay, one second, let me check my tab over here. Okay, holy shit, look at this. It's just like everything is at 100%. It's 81 degrees. Just catching fire over here, man. Hopefully it's gonna be worth it. Imagine building Chromium on this computer. Just imagine that. Okay, we fixed this. Was that the VPS? Oh no, it was my own computer. The VPS is over here. So 1 second, we can create a new tab over here. How do I do that? Tab new, htop. Let's actually install btop on this. It's not virtual, it's a dedicated server node. Hell yeah. So we have nothing going on over here except the internet, which is kind of hammering on GitHub servers. No, not GitHub, the Chromium whatever Git server. Okay, we are at 20 gigs now. This is still building. I think this was around 60 gigabytes, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe 30, I don't remember. But the problem starts after we clone this, because the next command will be Let me give you a spoiler. The next command will be apply patches. So at that point we'll kind of be cooked probably. I am not even sure this is actually building something right now. I don't see the whole terminal, which is kind of sad. Okay, we are at 25. Guys, we just wait, okay? We just wait. Okay, something is happening. I think we're at the last step over here. We're not using 100% anymore. It's kind of nice. But seems like the patch worked. What did you do in the patch? Probably I can read it over here. Nope. What did you do in the patch? I have to do deadlifts while waiting for code to compile. Man, I have did my first deadlift like I think it was last week, and I'm not doing that shit ever again, man. Like I didn't go heavy on it. I just like did like 100 kilos just to try, and my back was feeling weird after that. It was probably my form, but I don't know. Like it feels really good to do a deadlift, but at the same time, super risky thing to do. 100 kilos is heavy. If you don't do it properly, it can really mess you up. Yeah, that's what I realized. I mean, I had my friend with me. Like he was kind of deadlifter from the past, so he helped me with the form and stuff like that. 100 kilos really guys, it didn't really felt like that. I did like 2 sets on it. No, 2 reps, just 1 rep, 2 reps, I don't remember, but like it was fine, but like I don't know, if I really felt like if you fuck up the form, you're just gonna be fucked. So I'm not planning to do that ever again. So let's see. Guarded duplicates, definitions. I wrapped these things, which are, I don't know. When your system glibc already declares these. I do low weight deadlifts for cardio. Interesting one. That's really interesting actually. Like how many sets and reps do you do? Like damn, bro. But I mean, I could totally understand, because it's like movement that's kind of trains a huge, like trains a lot of areas, if that makes sense. I guess. 4x20. Damn, Bran. Damn. I could maybe try. How many? Like what's the weight that you're using? Deadlift for cardio is a great idea. It's the one exercise where I feel out of breath. Actually, yeah, but I'm not gonna try it, but it's a good idea. I'm kind of like staying away from deadlifts for a while. We're at 35 gigabytes, by the way. Okay, so this actually builds now. So we can try to run it. Holy shit. Okay. Ratatouille RS. Oh my god, it's working, guys. Hell yeah. The text is unreadable as shit though. It's kind of slow. But it works. 40 kilos, gotcha. Okay, so I don't know what you did, but it works. Maybe I can browse my website. If I make the font size smaller, is it gonna change the text? Take the win and the live stream quick. Don't worry, I don't know what I did either. Okay, amazing. So it's good for reading the hieroglyphs from Egypt. I mean, you could use it for that. When it comes to actually using it, we need some work to do, but it's a good step. It's a good step. How about YouTube? How about YouTube? Also, Carbonyl was doing some text input handling too. We should probably do that as well, but no clicking for now. Like no clicking on text boxes. It seems like it's kind of slow. We are at 40 gigabytes on the Chromium cloning process, by the way. It's not a release build. I'm not running release build yet. So you see, like these text stuff is not like good. Like it's not like using text. You know, in Carbonyl, if you remember, it was using like actual terminal text for these fields. So we should probably do that as well. So next step, I don't know if you did this already, but I will try to just copy and paste the Carbonyl blog post and kind of try to do the improvements on this. Do these improvements for the servo integration now. But other than that, it's quite nice actually. Just need to work on this a little bit. We're at 44 gigabytes. Title updates, true color probing. I try to do the improvements a bit manually, but I haven't tried the blog post send technique. I didn't read the blog post. I mean, I read it a while ago. I didn't read it fully. So what is this improvement called when you have an input box and you click it, instead of showing the the cell representation, it shows the actual text in the terminal. You know what I mean? We need to do that in servo as well. Explicit low DPI mapping, an optional monospace forced layout via injected user style sheet. That sounds very advanced. Okay, we're at 48 gigabytes. I think this Chromium codebase is around 60 gigabytes, if I'm not mistaken. But we are really close, so next step is applying patches. I'm thinking if I should do that myself or just give Codex the task. I think I will just make Codex do it. So I sync the Chromium repository. I was about to say database. Next step, run this, keep me informed, run this, apply the patches. If they fail, keep me informed, fix the patch, and that's it. I don't know what it would be called, but it's part of the monospace thing. You just inject as much as text possible to use one font size and style, and that will make it more terminal friendly. Oh, and then you have to hook into it and render the text manually. Gotcha. Okay, so it did something here. It did terminal layout style sheet, the monospace thing. Okay, so actually I'm gonna just copy your message and I'll just give that to Codex. Yeah, guys, we're living in a weird world now. I mean, anything that you say can be used in a LLM prompt, so be careful what you say out there, alright? I wonder how this is gonna affect dating. I once tried to flirt with a girl using ChatGPT and it didn't work quite well. So I don't recommend doing that, just saying, okay? Re-slop. Why is it taking forever again? The slope res. Oh, come on. 65 gigabytes. The problem here might be that we're actually cloning the latest snapshot of Chromium, whereas these patches are from a specific pinned commit, so we might be pretty cooked here. If those patches does not apply, there's no way I'm going through those things myself and manually changing them, so that's why we're using Codex here. Oh dude, did this thing add a new dependency? Why is it taking forever again? God damn. Okay, we're getting there. 60 gigabytes. Let me pour some more water. I'm trying to drink more water these days and it's been going great. I mean, it really improved my life quality. Like I would not expect drinking so much water again would be so much effective on my day, because I realized like for at least a month I was just eating a lot and not drinking enough water, but now I'm drinking enough water and it's just like it's so good, man. Like, god damn, dude, everything improved. Maybe it's just a mindset shift, but when you lock in, you gotta drink water, man. Drinking water is a part of the locking in process, okay? I should write a blog post about that. Guys, what am I building again? Like, what the hell? Like, I just did a patch and now it's just taking forever again. And also, what the hell? Like, I just cloned 60 gigabytes and still doing things, resolving deltas. Why Git is so slow? Can I make like Git clone faster by any chance? Actually, I'll just paste this here. Git clone faster. It's a thread from 11 years ago. The depth is not gonna work here because we're cloning a submodule thing, submodules, and we probably need the history because we might use that while changing the patches. There should be a parallelize option. It's kind of sad that this whole live stream is just gonna be like cloning this Chromium repo, but it is what it is, guys. Okay, there's this J2 option which should be usable. Use Gitoxide. Yeah, I mean, I think I've tried this. But yeah, good point though. Being described as effectively global user style sheet injection. Okay, it did that now apparently, and it should be ready to go. I'll be really surprised if that actually works. Well, we can try. Okay, let's go to my website. Now that didn't do anything. Nope. Force a terminal-friendly monospace layout model. I actually want you to take the text available from the website and render it as a normal text in the terminal when applicable. That's not being done right now, and the text is not readable. Oh man, it's gonna take forever to clone this thing. Actually, what did this thing do just now? Because it took forever to do something, and that was it. Just a zoom, and we waited 10 minutes just for this patch. It's unbelievable, man. Okay, it's doing something. Resolving deltas. 1 second, guys. How much time it would roughly take to resolve these motherfucking deltas? Okay, fast fetch. Bro, have you not read the latest Anthropic blog post? You're not allowed to swear at AI model anymore because it makes it feel exciting. Damn, bro. I didn't know about that. My bad. Sorry, my bad. For 20 million deltas on that box, 20 to 60 minutes. Unless the storage is especially slow. Okay, we'll wait for this like 30 minutes. Nice. Are you still cloning? Yeah, we're still resolving some shit now. We're resolving some deltas now. God damn. Okay. So what happened? Implemented. How did you just implement that? It was a difficult task. It now extracts visible page text from the DOM and renders it as a terminal text overlay instead of relying on a bitmap glyphs. What the fuck? There's no way you just did that. Text overlay extract script. Okay, it seems like it's doing something. If you're not using that much RAM, maybe it's worth cloning to RAM disk. Maybe that's insane. I don't know. I never done that. It'd probably be buggy. Maybe we need that under 28 gigabyte after all. We're just gonna clone it once. I mean, hopefully. Okay, it's not working. Great. What the oh, it's doing something. Okay, something. It was just doing something. I saw that. Oh shit, what the fuck? That is horrible. The extraction script is just... That turned out horrible and buggy. Do something else. Do something more robust and fix it. That's how it looked when I was trying last night. Oh wow. That is bad. That is really bad. Okay, we are at 9%. So we might get to this in the next 30 minutes. It just, looking at this makes me just angry at computers. So I am not gonna look at the percentage. Just I really just get angry because, like, what the fuck? Why are we using this bloated thing, and why is it just so fucking difficult to build it? But anyways, we just gonna focus on our servo implementation because that's Rust, that's easy, that's just better. But now I'm curious about the percentage, but I won't look at it because, yeah, whatever. I'm just looking in on the servo stuff. C++ devs making fun of Rust for compile times. Meanwhile, Chromium takes a week to compile. I'm not even talking about the horrible stuff that we're gonna see along the way. The horrible, like, logs and build errors and kind of all the shit, the custom build toolchain. Oh man, what the hell are these tests? Wrap text for terminal, split long words. Oh man, this is so cursed. This whole project. Okay, I'm just gonna drink water, if you excuse me. I just spilled water on my Ratatouille t-shirt. Okay, so let's just run it, man. Let's just run it. There's no point in trying to understand what's going on because we probably won't be able to digest everything very quickly. Why are you on 5.3 not 5.4? I don't know. I just didn't update. Good point though. Okay. Okay, it didn't seem like it's working. Hello once again, just to make sure, if I'll sponsor you on GitHub, you're getting 100% of the funds. I want to show some love. Thank you so much. I am getting, like, GitHub sponsor is taking a cut, but yeah. I don't know, the, like, it's not super high. Thank you for your support on this journey of making a terminal web browser that doesn't work. Okay, I mean, it's just not working. It's just not working now. I'm gonna go to sleep. Good luck. Thank you, man. Thank you. Just to keep you updated, we're at 28%, which is great. Going faster than I was expecting. With this rate, we can build Chromium in a week. Okay, you know what? There should be someone out there who has done this. Okay. I think I've seen some forks. So, oh my god, can I just go to the repo, please? I think if I go to the network tab. Oh man, thank you for your donation. I really appreciate it, Ferris. And what is that emoji? That's funny. Thank you. Okay, so if we go here and if we search for change funding person, the homeless god, what is this guy doing now? You see, like, Chromium running inside your terminal. Did he actually... Okay, first of all, he translated the whole thing to Russian, I think, or I don't know what this language is. Some other language. And he's still using Chromium, which is not great. Okay, let's just keep stalking people over here. We might run into some gold. Just committed like... Okay. Wait, what? Docker image. Docker persist volume. Docker file. Okay, these are just maintenance updates, I think. Okay, something is happening here. Sixel mode, that's interesting actually. Sixel rendering. Okay, so there's some jumps over here. Just copilot. Add new file. What is this? Update logo? Oh, that's me. That's me. Okay. Oh, this guy is doing something over here. Okay, this is actually quite nice. Compile time fix. This is very useful. This is incredibly useful. So this guy rebase patches. That's nice. That's nice. I think we found some gem over here. Scrub internal SDK driven. Oh man, this guy is pivot to X11 ozone XOR what the hell? What the hell is going on? In theory, if we had image protocol support, we can just render the servo frame buffer fully as an image and it should look a lot better. Probably. But this guy is doing a lot actually. Okay, we are J Magley. We are stealing some patches from him 11 hours ago. Okay, we should definitely invite him, by the way. We should definitely invite him to the project. Oh man, he is grinding, man. Okay, I'll ping him. I'll ping him. God damn, man. He is cooking, man. And he is also a sea animal. That's just perfect. That's just perfect. He's like an octopus kind of a guy. Like I kind of like him. Like, not gonna lie, I mean, not a crab, but like he's kind of an octopus, man. He's chill. He's chill, right? You guys like octopuses, or like what do you take on octopus? And why everything is just suddenly broken? I mean, I was just working in a terminal browser, and my actual browser is broken now. Like, what the fuck? But he is cooking, man. Also, this person, Chromium support. I like eating squid in Japanese restaurants. Coolest creatures in my opinion, aliens living among us. Yes, definitely. Okay, so my browser just crashed apparently, like I cannot use it. That's just great. Okay. I'll just invite him over here. Would 100% take over humans if they lived longer and transferred knowledge to their kids? There was one video recently, the guy taught an octopus to play piano, which is super interesting. I remember the name of the channel, but if you search for it, you'll probably find it. It was just like really fun to watch, and it was just like octopuses are just fucking smart, man. They can probably build Chromium by just, you know, smashing the keyboard or something. That video was awesome, man. That video was so good. It was so good. And like I just cannot use GitHub anymore, which is weird. Guys, I literally cannot use GitHub. Like, what the fuck? Okay, there you go. Hey, J. Magley. I hope you don't mind the ping. I've seen you're cooking a lot with Carboxyl over here. Just wanted to let us know about this fork, this community fork, in case you weren't aware, and kindly invite you to kindly ask about your motivations behind your own or motivation behind working on Carboxyl. I've seen some really cool commits that we might possibly backport here. Just to some context, I'm experimenting with servo support. We are experimenting with servo support here, servo, and have a build server for building Chromium already. Would be nice to join forces if our goals align. Just want to browse the internet from the terminal. All right. There you go, we just pinged him. Alright, we are at 63%. And we just finished another, I don't know, another thing with codecs. Let's check. Let's check what has been cooking. Probably it's not gonna work. I can bet that it's not gonna work. But let's see. Let's RS. No. Oh, okay. Okay, but the layout is broken now. It's not my usual layout. Let's go to YouTube. Maybe those sites are a bit heavy to test, but I don't know. I don't have any ideas. You guys know any good websites to test this? And don't send links because that's not gonna work with YouTube chat for some reason. Okay. Reddit. That's a good one. There's a lot of text in there. And yeah, it just does not work for all the websites. Also, the text is not readable at all. Blurry as hell. Do some other improvement. Nope, it's just not good. It just does not work. I mean, how did this guy do it in the first place? Like, it's currently wandering servo, yeah. It is. Now I just cannot exit this view as well. It's kind of broken. I just cannot exit this. Can try to ask her to migrate to Chromium patches he had original to. Oh, that's an interesting one. Migrate the yeah, that would be really interesting actually. Can try 1 sec. Okay, let's try my website. It is broken as shit. Let's try Reddit. Somewhat readable, but not working. Migrate the previous Chromium patches to servo. I point out the original repo first. Maybe even our friend's patch repo. Oh, you mean this one? I could probably... Wait, it's not coding stream. It's I don't know what stream it is at this point. It's actually a cloning stream. We're at 69% of cloning Chromium now. It's just waiting stream. It's a better term for this. So where are those patches. Yeah, there you go. So I will let me do something like this. Patches and then new patches. We have those things over here. Migrate the Chromium patches to servo, to the vendor servo dependency. They are available in new patches. Okay, there you go. 72. We're getting close, guys. We're getting close. Actually, I'll get ready for applying the patches here as well. So let's clone gmagli carbonyl. I don't have this command here. Actually, you might before you apply the patches, you might want to take a look at at another fork which has more up-to-date patches in gmagli carbonyl. Apply those patches if possible. The current fix if not, just apply the goddamn patches. You specifically want the text rendering patches, yeah. Oh no, wait, I'm not rendering servo, right? Oh shit, it's just gonna render it. I get confused. I'm rendering the GL slop thing. So now it's just gonna fucking render servo and download a bunch of shit. God damn it. Anyways, it is what it is, guys. I'll be back in a second. One sec. In the meantime, you can just watch this thing, or maybe I can also give you a nice aquarium next to it so that you don't get bored. Okay, what happened? We're still cloning. And here we are wiring up servo runtime. Okay. And did this thing crash? Just tell me, just please don't tell me that it just crashed. Okay. I think the SSH session crashed. How do I detach from this? Session detach, okay. Cool, we are at 77%. We're doing some shit with servo now. This guy made the carbonyl agent. Carbonyl agent. Most users want carbonyl agent. What? It was still moving when you detached, by the way. Moving? What do you mean? Wait, what? Okay. Okay, session detach. It's kind of looking weird. I don't know how SSH works. This guy made like a carbonyl agent. What's different in this fork? Okay, that's good. Chromium current upstream stable. Python automation layer, fleet server, boot detection mitigation, session management, CI infrastructure, maintenance commitment, security development. Chromium versions are tracked on a best effort basis. The automation API is under active development. So this is a browser for AI agents to use. It really seems like it. Sponsors, what? Wait, what? This guy having sponsors, man. What the hell? What the hell is going on? Crypto. I mean, what? Okay, something has happened here. Apparently now we can build. He's been working on this for at least 2 weeks. And very actively as well. Yeah, 3 weeks. He's been working on this for 3 weeks now. I wish we had this guy in our project. Yeah, it would be super helpful just getting stuff working, you know. Okay, so we have a new patch thing applied. Okay, oh my god, like what the Like, what the hell, man? The website is just looking super small. The website is super small and it doesn't render the text like I want. %. This is super interesting though, like he's actively working on this. I'm actually not sure if he is a real human. Maybe he's an actual octopus. The agent is working on it. Yeah, that's what I meant. So it again did some things. And yeah, let's see. Maybe magically it will work. 95% by the way. Okay. It's just a now bigger website and that's it. Now the text is not rendered natively on the terminal. Nope. %. Let's go. Look at the Git history of that fork. Make the fork this repo. Chromium repo if needed. I found a missing piece. We need a real overlay render path again. Okay, just do that, whatever that means. What happened to the tabs? Okay, sometimes Zellige is breaking. Okay, 2 million deltas. Keep me updated on every step of the process. $64 GB, by the way. 64 GB for the whole thing. Come on, it should be done. Still working on SRC, okay. Finish wiring native text mode into server runtime. I'm compiling now. Okay, compile it or whatever. Okay, finish dev profile. I don't care about the tests. Just run the damn thing. My actual browser is just broken now. I'm kind of glad that the live stream is still on. Like, seems like it's still going. Okay, so let's see. Nope. It's still freaking hieroglyphs from Egypt. Nah. What is this thing doing? It already cloned everything. I'll make it much more aggressive. Native text mode will trigger for almost any page with meaningful text. Okay, so it's more aggressive now. Let's see more aggressive text rendering. Aggressive intelligence, look at this. Look, oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, this is literally the text on my page. It just renders the text without the actual styling in the page. What the fuck? Okay, 67 gigabytes. It just keeps growing. Just keeps growing. You have truly achieved AGI, man. And my browser is still broken. I mean, what did the Firefox do? Why are you punishing Firefox? Like, it literally did nothing. Just waiting some reply from this guy. It's just gonna be broken. I mean, I would bet that it's gonna be more broken than before. Okay, syncing projects now. Whatever that means. At this point it is 71 gigs. Tree background terminal is running. What? Why are you testing those? Don't ever run cargo tests from now on. Hopefully that won't apply for my other projects. I just said don't ever run. I won't run cargo test again. Okay, so what's gonna happen now? It's all broken. Everything is broken. Okay, what do we have? 71 gigs. No, I think I'll give up very soon. I think without understanding what is actually going on, it's just gonna be like this. In theory, there are ways to set it up so that it will run the program after it changes the browser. Some sites take screenshots and analyze, and that can help, but that's a lot to set up. Maybe we should actually do that at some point though, because right now it's like, yeah, it's not working. Oh my god. Kinda hate when this happens, because yeah, we just stuck. We just stuck here. I just want to run this prompt and at least do something with Chromium. Isn't there any other way to increase the text quality? Probably not though. I mean, probably not. Is there any other way? Just fetching some stuff. Let's see the size again. Is God punishing us for this? Choose God's way. God's way here is separation. The fuck? I mean, you're gonna just make me decide based on a random number generator, right? At the end, that's what's gonna happen. Syncing projects. I don't know. I think I give up on servo. Feel free to experiment with this, but without understanding the inner workings, I think it's just difficult to make sense of what's going on here. Make the font size super small so the text is more readable. It's 83 gigabytes now. Okay, let's run it. I'll probably keep playing with it when I have free time. Yep. Yeah, that's just amazing. Like, that's just really good. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. I'll just wait some reply from this guy. I think he might be super helpful to the project. We are almost here, guys. Literally took 2 hours to clone the whole thing. Okay, 95. Just take a look at the other PRs in the meantime. Come on, 97. I'm just curious about the sync script that we are using here. Chromium patch management was removed, okay. Oh my god, come on. It's 92 gigabytes, so it takes around 100 gigabytes to be able to build this from scratch. Git is using like 2 gigabytes of RAM. 3 actually. That's just insane to me. Need to cook Git. Still working on Swift shader, whatever that is. Okay, file not found. What? What the hell? Just at the 99%, you're saying file not found. Resource has been exhausted. Okay, we just exposed the IP. Short-term server time, what? Rate limit exceeded. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? What? Leaked. Bro, are you kidding me? Okay, I'm just gonna run this thing either way. I'm just gonna run this either way. I don't care. How can I give codecs permissions to do everything? Okay. Git repos. Git is not able to auto detect. Codex local, okay. Just retry? What do you mean? Just retry cloning like 100 gigs? Okay, it seems like it's applying some patches. Still clean progress. Okay. We have 17 patches, I think. The patches are applied, okay. Okay, that's that was unexpected. Configure. Yes. It's doing something. GN is not found. Wait, what? G client run hooks. What is that command? Yes. I'll just say yes. Isn't it G client sync? I don't know. What are the hooks that this guy is mentioning? There's no hooks in the carbonyl. What the hell is going on? I think it's just hallucinating. Or maybe it's actually running something. I have no idea. It's in the... What? It's doing something, but I have no idea. How can I see that in real time though? Is it building now, or which step is this? I don't think we're building now. Hard to predict if it's doing something, but sounds more of an issue. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on right now. Maybe it's not doing anything. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything, to be honest. But I don't want to stop it now. Okay. It's running everything in a virtual environment. What the hell is going on, man? Yeah, of course, proceed. It's syncing again. Wait, I already synced this, no? What the fuck? Okay, it's now generating or something. This will compile Rust library, copy it into this, and then invoke Chromium Ninja target. Seems like it's actually building now, or no? Yeah, it's building. Oh shit. Look at the CPU, guys. Look at the CPU. Ninja is into the main Chromium compile now. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Oh my god. It stopped. Because it failed. The first real build failure has appeared. It's now in Carbon patches. Ninja stopped at this because Python environment can import 6. Okay, let's build again. No, it failed again. Imagine just doing all of these things by hand. Okay, we're building again. I would do it by hand. You're fucking insane, man. Ferris, you do this by hand? Really? I just want to see everything red here. Like, I want to wait for a bit and then I want to see this whole section red. All the CPU cores being used. It's gonna be a nice view. How can I change the theme for this? Top change theme. Let's use this one. It's very important, guys. While building Chromium, you gotta have a nice theme. Okay. I don't see a theme. Where is it? I couldn't see it. Okay, options, color theme. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, man. Dracula. It's also looking nice. Kanagawa wave is good. Oh my god. I might just go with Kanagawa wave. Alright, we're gonna tweet this. One second. I don't know if it's looking alright. We might have a better... No. Monokai. Just so hard to decide on a theme, man. Looks good. Light theme. No, light theme would be... No, it's not readable. This is also looking good. Okay, let's have a look. 1 second. I'll create 3 tabs. Okay, so have a look. This one, or this one. I think this one is the coolest looking, the last one. Yeah, the last one for sure. Tokyo night, tomorrow night. This is also looking good. We are building, by the way. Vibe coding allows programs to focus on more important things like writing. Can't argue with that, man. Can't argue with that. So, guys, look. Which one? 1 or 2? Type 1 or 2. 1, this is the first one, and this is the second one. First one or the second one? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. No, there's no 3. Okay, let's see where we at. Okay, compiling. How can I see the logs while building now? Okay, I need to run this to see the logs. Okay, I need to have the proper command now. 1 second. So this is the command. Oops. What? Save that command as attach sh. Okay, it's not doing anything though. Okay, we're getting some logs. Okay, cool. Cool, we're building Chromium now. I think I'm gonna go with the first one, by the way. How is this caption, guys? I'm just rising. I'm just rising. Rising beat up, yeah. Okay, 1 second. I think I saved this 4. Where did I save it? I saved it in the Carbonyl directory. 1 second. Okay, I'll just post it on my socials. Give me a second until I do that. You're still building, by the way. Imagine me just accidentally running that command on my own computer instead of that server. That will be interesting. That will be really interesting. Then you would actually see me in a month probably. Just gonna be off the grid for a while. Foreshadowing. Just imagine me getting obsessed with Chromium after this, and then building it every day and just getting more obsessed, and started contributing to the upstream of Chromium and getting insane, and then kind of, oh man, that would be bad. I hope that won't happen. Okay, it's still doing some things. Still building. So guys, we started building. That's some progress, I guess. That will be generational aura loss. Okay, so I will keep this thing running. I will just detach session, detach, and exit from here. And see you guys in the next one, I guess. It's now building, so what else can I do? Let's see if it's gonna, okay, next steps. Let's talk about the next steps. So I'll see if this thing is gonna build first, and then maybe we'll use the patches from the other guy. Just bring the patches in, update Chromium, create a release, probably create a more up-to-date release with the new Chromium version, work on servo. I don't know, we'll see. Let me just try to build this first. So that would be the next first step. Man, I'm gonna just fall asleep here. But tomorrow or the day after, I'll try to work on my thermal emulator Ratty. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be really good. And in the meantime, I need to prepare for moving to Germany. That's my life now. But it was fun, guys. See you after 8 Chromium builds. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be around. Good luck, have fun. Thank you so much, man. Take care. Good grind. Good grind. Alright, time to read my PHP book before I go to bed. This is my ritual now.